Hello and welcome to my video on machine sewing the transport bag. You'll need a few clips, some scissors, and your sewing machine. Mine is over there. First, you're going to take your fabric cover, lay it out, put your waterproof layer inside it. You're going to take the short edge here, fold it over once and then twice to make sure that that raw edge is tucked inside, and you're going to clip it so that it doesn't go anywhere. You don't want to use pins because pins will make holes in your waterproof layer. My favorite thing to use are binder clips. You can also use paper clips or clothespins, whatever works. Once that's even, you're going to turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. Roll that edge over once and twice so that both raw edges are tucked inside. Now you're going to get your sewing machine. You're going to take this edge here and sew a straight stitch all the way down. Make sure you use the back stitch on the beginning and end. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Once you've done that on both sides, it should look a little like this. Maybe not that close to the edge though. You're going to take your bag, flip its fabric side up, fold this edge down about 2.5 inches. That's how long my finger is, so I use my finger as a measurement. And fold this part up almost to the edge. Then take your binder clips and clip that in place. Now take your sewing machine and sew down the edge, leaving a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Do the same thing on the other edge. Once you're done, you're going to cut the extra fabric off. Cut about 3 millimeters or 1/4 of an inch, or no, 1/8 of an inch. You don't want to cut too close to your stitches. You don't want them to come out. Once you're done with that, you're going to turn it right side out. Make sure you push out those corners. Now the very last step is making a seam right here. You're going to use your straight stitch again. You're going to back stitch at the beginning and the end and right where the top folds over the bottom. You want to reinforce that and make sure it doesn't come out. Use a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Do the same thing on the other side. This is what your completed bag should look like. Now that you've got all the pieces of your period or incontinence kit complete, please see the next video about how to care and use your kit. Thank you so much for watching.